Good morning, everybody. You've made it to week 3. Woo! We're going to go over our day for today. So it's day 1. It's Monday. Let's get busy. You've got in your folder for this week new sight words. I believe I printed them off in yellow cardstock this week, so you should have green, orange, and yellow. So I'm going to go over these sight words with you. We're going to see it, say it, spell it. So I hope you can do this with me at home. You ready? I want to be able to hear you. Okay? See it, say it, 1, and spell it. O-N-E, 1. Okay? See if you can do it with me now. She, S-H-E, she. Then, T-H-E-N, then. You know this one. And, A-N-D, and. This is a new one. Find, F-I-N-D, find. For, F-O-R, for. Just, J-U-S-T, just. And the last one, many, M-A-N-Y, many. Okay, so those are your new sight words this week. Practice those at home, okay? Don't forget to cut them out, put them in your Ziploc baggie. You also have page 25 to complete in your packet. You've got a word bank. You've got a word bank up here. Fill it in, and then at the bottom, think of a sentence for one of the words that you didn't use. Tell a partner, or tell mom, tell grandma, tell your dog, tell somebody, okay? Then you've got word list 3. This is the title up here, word list 3. When you see word list 3, this is it, okay? This is just extra practice for your spelling words, okay? So you've got high frequency words, decodable words, and then your spelling words, okay? So you don't have to cut them out. If you want to, you can put them in a baggie, but this is just for practice, okay? Then the last thing on your week at a glance, complete the iRead Screener online. You should have a direction sheet in your folder that tells you how to access that iRead Screener. Just a forewarning, it's long, okay? It may be difficult for your child to sit there and complete this screener, okay? Try to encourage them as much as possible without helping. I know that's hard. I know it's very hard. If for some reason you do the iReader or the iRead Screener first, and that wipes your child's brain out, and you're done for the day, that's okay. Okay? A 20-minute, 30 screener is hard for 6-year-olds to sit through. So, if you get to today and you're like, let's knock out this iRead Screener, do that first, then get to your other stuff. Okay? Or, you know what, if you just want to do the 2 pages, do your word work, and then do the iRead Screener, that works too. Do what is best for you, your child, your family, and your schedule, okay? I'm going to post one more video introducing some power words to the book that I'm going to be reading for tomorrow's lesson, okay? So good luck. You guys do the best that you can on the iRead Screener, and let me know if you have any questions or any difficulties. Good luck.